Welcome to Zenscale. In this video we will walk you through the purchase process. Let's get started with the purchase requisition. Start by clicking on Purchase. Go to Requisition. Add a document and requirement date. Select the material group. Then select Material. And add quantity. Add another material. Then select a location and save it. Now, let's move on to creating a purchase order. Click on Purchase Order. Search for the purchase requisition number. Select the vendor. Add a document date. Edit materials as needed. Then save the purchase order. Next, we'll look at the store receiving process. Select the vendor and the purchase order you just created. Choose the receive date. Save the store receiving information. Moving on to the purchase invoice step. Search for the purchase received number. Add a bill reference number. Save the purchase invoice. Lastly, let's explore the stock report. Click on Inventory. Go to Stock Report. Select the material. Choose date. And then search for it. Click on Transaction Detail to view the details. By following these steps, you can successfully complete the entire purchase process, ensuring a seamless flow from purchase requisition to stock report. Thanks for watching.